There are many recipes you see online that claim to help you lose weight in a short period of time. But it is also true that not all of them are true to their promise. However, there is a very simple recipe that has been around since ages that has worked great for losing weight, especially losing stubborn fat. That is called orange ginger tea. The benefits of orange and ginger combined create magical effects that help burn fat quickly. The results are seen in only 1 week. Apart from melting the excess fat, this tea works great for your health because it is full of antioxidants, fibers, vitamins. If you really want to get rid of your fat belt on your stomach, just take a cup of this easy-to-make tea. People who have tried this weight loss method say that it really helps and the results is seen in a week. Before we start to make this tea, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to receive exciting health videos like this every day. This orange ginger tea recipe is pretty straightforward. Firstly, you need to prepare 1 orange and wash it under running water to remove any dirt. Don't skip this step because we'll be using the orange peel to make the tea. After washing, peel your orange using a knife. The reason we use orange peel to make belly fat loss tea because it is very low in calories and high in fiber, forming adipose tissues that prevent weight gain. Consuming the extract of orange peel has been recommended by many health and fitness professionals as well. In addition, the nubilatin present in orange peel helps reduce cholesterol level in the body, turning into a good shield against disease caused by cholesterol as well as preventing fat accumulation. There are many other benefits of orange peel too, and it is entirely safe to rely on it as no harm has ever come from using anything natural. After peeling off the entire peel of the orange, place them into a saucepan. Then add 2 cups of water. Next, prepare 1 piece of ginger and cut 4 to 5 slices. Ginger helps you lose belly fat thanks to its antioxidant properties. It helps you eliminate accumulated toxins more efficiently, favoring the functioning of the organs and thus preventing your body from retaining water. It is so important to avoid water retention because it makes you gain weight and can cause leg cramps and favors the appearance of the cellulite. On the other hand, ginger causes a powerful thermogenic effect so that when ingested it increases body temperature and its fat-burning properties are enhanced. Then you also add the ginger slices into the saucepan with the orange peel. Now, set a saucepan filled with the mixture you just made on the stove. Boil it and let the mixture come to boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then turn the heat up. Boiling process helps extract the properties of both orange and ginger and dissolve them in the water. This water is the tea. After that, cover the saucepan and let the mixture steep for 10 minutes. When time passes, strain the tea into a glass jar and discard the orange peel and ginger. Next, you need to add 1 tablespoon of lime juice to bring taste to your tea while enhancing its fat-burning properties. The citric acid found in lime juice helps boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories and store less fat. Finally, you can add 1 tablespoon of honey to sweeten the tea if desired. Your belly fat loss tea is ready. Pour it into a cup and enjoy. This tea can be enjoyed warm or cold.